So I bet you've been wondering, and so have I to be honest, what new road, if at all, there is one ahead of me.
Selling car at 205 are we all done? So
sorry to snake you, I've got a bit of a dark side of sense of humour. So this is how it is. Some fella that watches my YouTube channel rocked up to my workshop to chew the fat one day. We chatted for hours, pretty much more than the afternoon. Long story short, that fella said, "I'll put you up, you fucking hobo." And here we are. Meet Smokey Joe, also known as Josh the Nosh to his close friends. Long story short, we teamed up. Hit us up on Facebook under the guise of Studio 1974. It's kind of where joinery meets furniture, put it this way. Josh is a highly trained joiner. I make furniture. Kind of makes sense to bring the two worlds together. And that's where we are. And so hopefully soon we'll be having some different content. As you can see, there's a different workshop and different things are being made, which would be nice, especially for me. I'll be learning something as well. I'd like to give a special thank you to Warren, Kim and Peter C. They properly saved the day recently with what everything is going on, and I've been away from YouTube for about a month now, I think. I'm sorry about that, but it's just has not been the time for this. What with moving and severe car trouble. But these guys, they helped out and they bought some of my furniture, which was fantastic, and that really got me through. Now, about the upcoming film, it's not a great deal about me, but it is something I enjoy doing, and I'll tell you why. It's milling trees is something I used to do and I really miss now. When you mill a tree, you get to see beauty that no one else sees again. The colours before the oxygen hits and dries off the water and makes the wood look grey. No one will ever see that again. There's no finish on earth that will bring that back. So that's a special thing about milling, and it's also, I find interesting watching people mill. On this occasion, a bit different, that the log's too big for the mill, so it's having to be dealt with in an interesting way. And let's get on with the video.
Come up a bit, you're gonna get, if you carry on.
Oh, I won't hit the floor.
that.
Give her a nudge and see if she goes. I'd rather not be on it when it does.
Down there.
Oh, hello.
If you can, I'd be grateful if you could head over to my Patreon page and support this channel. It's the price of a pint a month. I'd be grateful for any help you can give me. You can cancel any time too. It's no lifetime obligation. Outside of that, normal service should resume soon. I've got half a workshop still to deal with and move. That's all the heavy stuff, and half a garage of car stuff to do. There is a build in the pipeline. It's a 2-week build. It's not furniture this time. So filming could possibly start end of next week, which would be something like the 27th. Hopefully from then on in, things will return back to normal. So until then, be lucky, look after yourselves.